Alright, we're back in here with the 60 again, and I've been working on it quite a bit. Been trying to get the steering back together, so if we need to move it we can. But let's see, not a whole lot I've done. I have taken the clutch apart, see what we can use. These plates don't look too good, but I might try and resurface the expensive ones here. We got that one. We got this one here. Got our slider plate. We got our last free floating friction plate here. I think I'm going to just replace the friction plates. They don't look too good at all. Alright, it looks like in here in the transmission, the first reduction gear here, it's still got some oil on it. And our splines on the crankshaft here are still good. Alright, back over here I've got the clutch pulley. I've taken it off, and I've been working on taking the rockers and the dogs out. These here, and it looks like I'm going to have to replace them. They've worn flat here on the ends. You can see it. Yep. That's kind of a hard thing to get out. I still got one left. My rocker. Yeah, that looks pretty good still. I gotta ask a good mechanic sometime, have him come look at my cylinders and see if he thinks it'd be alright to run the tractor the way it is. But yeah, that's just an update on the John Deere 60. I have had a good mechanic come look at the pistons here, the cylinders, and it looks like we're going to have to bore it out, put some overbore pistons in it. I've been trying to go through the gears here with the gearbox, and it looks like we don't have a second gear. It's got a little knob right there, if you can see how it goes up. But all the other gears I can get to, I'm going to have to take that apart and see what's going on here. But yep, I've been going through and making an inventory of what we got and what we need. So hopefully we'll be getting on the road soon. Alright. Talk to y'all later.